This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has updated the possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for central Alberta. At 2:10 p.m. Doppler radar is tracking a rotating severe thunderstorm 10 km southwest of Devon moving northeastwards at 40 km per hour. This dangerous storm is likely producing very large hail and may produce a tornado over the next 30 minutes. Communities in the path include Calmar and Devon. If you are in the affected area, be prepared to take shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.